Basic operation methods. 1. Drone pairing. Place the drone flat on the ground. Press and hold the power button for 1 second to turn on the drone. After power on, the indicator light blinks slowly, indicating self-check is complete and waiting for pairing. Press and hold the remote controller power button for 1 second to turn it on. The remote controller indicator lights up and emits a single beep sound, indicating pairing is complete. The drone indicator changes from slow blink to fast blink for 3 seconds, then becomes steady, indicating successful pairing and readiness for takeoff. Important tips. 2. Takeoff. After successful pairing, push the remote controller throttle lever all the way up and release. The drone propellers unlock and start spinning. Push the throttle lever upwards once more and release. The drone will take off to a height of 1.2 meters. 3. Flight control. During flight, pushing the remote controller's throttle lever or direction lever will cause the drone to make corresponding attitude adjustments. Ascend, descend, rotate left, rotate right, forward, backward, left side fly, right side fly. 4. Landing. When the drone needs to land, simply push the throttle lever all the way down. The drone will descend slowly. Only release the remote controller throttle lever after the drone has landed on the ground and the motors have stopped. 5. One-key takeoff, one-key landing. Takeoff can also be achieved by pressing the takeoff button for one-key takeoff. Landing can also be achieved by pressing the landing button for one-key landing. 6. Power off. Press and hold the drone power button to turn it off. Press and hold the remote controller power button to turn it off. Common drone functions introduction. 1. Calibration. Place the drone level, ensuring the front of the drone aligns with the front of the remote controller. Move the remote controller throttle lever to the bottom left position. Simultaneously move the direction lever to the bottom right position. The remote controller emits a beep sound. The drone indicator changes to fast blinking. Then the indicator becomes steady, indicating calibration is complete. 2. Speed switch function demonstration. Press the speed button to switch between 3 speeds: low speed, medium speed, and high speed. 3. Flip. During flight, briefly press the flip button once. The remote controller emits a sound simultaneously. While pushing the direction joystick forward, the drone will perform a forward flip and automatically exit flip mode. To perform another flip, briefly press this function button again. To flip in other directions, simply push the direction lever in the corresponding direction. If this button is pressed accidentally, press it briefly again to cancel. 4. Servo buttons. These 2 buttons can adjust the camera's tilt up and down. 5. Trim function. When the drone is hovering in the air but continuously drifting in one direction, use the trim function to correct it. For example, if the drone drifts forward during flight, press the remote controller trim button once. The remote controller enters trim mode, then pull the direction lever backward. The drone begins to correct its attitude backward. When the drone is corrected and no longer drifts, press the trim button again to exit trim mode. 6. Headless mode. Entering headless mode. During power on pairing, the front of the drone is defaulted as the front in headless mode. Press the headless mode button on the remote controller. It emits a beep sound. The drone indicator blinks slowly, indicating headless mode is activated. Regardless of the actual orientation of the drone, the position of the remote controller is now considered the rear of the drone. 7. Photo or video recording function introduction. With the drone powered on, turn on the phone's Wi-Fi. Connect to the drone's network. Open the app. Enter the operation interface display. Press Start. The connection completion should be visible on the screen of the drone's camera. Open the phone holder on the remote controller and secure the phone onto it. Click the photo or video button on the remote controller to take a photo. Press and hold to record video. The remote controller emits a beep sound, indicating recording has started. 8. Emergency stop. During flight, in case of an emergency, press and hold the landing button for 2 seconds. The remote controller emits a beep sound. The drone propellers immediately stop spinning, and the drone falls to the ground.